Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini with yogurt. This refreshing dish is incredibly easy to prepare and perfect for a light lunch or a delightful side. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need fresh zucchini, creamy plain yogurt, a couple of garlic cloves, and some fresh mint. Don't forget your olive oil, salt, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance the flavors. Now, let's get our zucchini ready. First, wash about 2 medium-sized zucchinis thoroughly. Then, thinly slice them into rounds or half-moons, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thickness. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your zucchini slices and sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they become tender and develop a beautiful light golden color. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. With your zucchini perfectly cooked, it's time to bring everything together. In a separate bowl, mince 2 cloves of garlic very finely and chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. Now, add 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt to the bowl. Stir in the minced garlic and chopped mint, along with a dash of salt and pepper. Once your sautéed zucchini has cooled slightly, gently fold it into the seasoned yogurt mixture. Serve immediately or chill for later. To elevate your zucchini and yogurt dish, consider a few simple enhancements. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can add a wonderful brightness and tang. For a delightful texture, garnish your finished dish with some toasted pine nuts or a sprinkle of smoked paprika for a hint of warmth. This dish is fantastic as a side or a light main course. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy this versatile and delicious recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.